Hi, I'm Julie, Director of Business Development at AVOW. Thank you for your interest in our new Mobile OEM Branding Guide. I spent a lot of time talking to mobile marketers about what is working and what isn't. And I want to spend 60 seconds on what we just published and why. A pattern I keep hearing in 2026, the channel mobile teams have always used for branding building, it just feels less premium every year. Crowded feeds, patchy brand safety. Trust is diminishing, but the screens people actually live on, the device itself, has gone almost untouched as a branding surface. That's the gap our new guide is building around. The Mobile OEM Branding Guide. What is inside? Well, you will get how to match OEM placements to funnel intent, who OEMs brandings works best for, a practical campaign playbook, why OEM are truly brand safe, a measurements framework that doesn't force branding into performance KPI, and 2, real case study with the number. It's short, it's practical, and it's free. And honestly, it's the thing I wish I could send everyone before that first call. Have a read. Tell us what you think.